Welcome, foolish mortals, and a happy Halloween to you all. Today we are doing the Haunted Mansion, like Happy Haunts box swap. So if you want to stay tuned and see what's in this spooky Haunted Mansion Halloween swap, let's get into this. This is a Haunted Mansion Halloween swap, which is so exciting because this is like my favorite time of the year, and the Haunted Mansion is my absolute favorite ride. I like to say the Haunted Mansion Holiday is my favorite attraction because that's a spin-off of the Haunted Mansion but with a Nightmare Before Christmas overlay, and that is by far my favorite. But today I have this box to unbox for you all, and I'm very excited. I know who it came from. It came from Christina from Playdates and Travels, and I am very, very excited to get into this. So let's just go ahead and unbox it. So Christina has had me for a few swaps, and I've had Christina for a swap, at least one swap, if not two. So it's very, very cool that we get to do another exchange. I had Melodie for this one, and this whole swap was a debacle in terms of that, but just yeah. Melodie might have explained it some in her video, but there's some shipping stuff. I ended up shipping it like several months ago, and then it got lost, and now it's not lost. And anyway, I'm ready to open this box. Christina always decorates these boxes so nicely too. Okay, let's see. Halloween. Wait, Happy Haunts Halloween swap. Oh my goodness, boy, is this gonna be fun. So this says Meg, and she even has a little Haunted Mansion card. Let's open this. Oh my goodness. Wait. Hi Meg, so thrilled to have you in another swap. Knowing you have a ton of ears, I steer clear from that direction, but that this assortment of goodies would help put a smile on your face while reminding you of one of your favorite attractions. Hope you don't have any duplicates. The goodie bag on top is an extra. I found the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff the day before I was originally going to mail this, and that could be linked to the holiday overlay in Disneyland. Happy Haunts. I was literally just talking about how that's my favorite, Christina. How did you know? Christina's actually, like, her home park is Disneyland, so I'm sure she absolutely loves that too. But love, Christina. A ghost will follow you home. This is so, so cute. I love it. And the stationery, and then she actually put it in a little Haunted Mansion Hitchhiking Ghost envelope too. So there's a lot of stuff in here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and open this one because she said it was an extra, so I want to see what it is. Oh, welcome, foolish mortals. This is so cool. It's a pen, but it says the Haunted Mansion here, and then is this upside down? No, yeah, it is. And then it says a ghost will follow you home, and so it's a clicky pen. I love a good clicky pen. I use pens all the time, so thank you so, so much. And that came in this really amazing bag. It says time to share and scare. Oh yeah. Okay, I don't even know where to start, but I'm just gonna dive right in. Also, like, everything is themed to purple, and that's amazing because that is the color of the Haunted Mansion. So this looks bubble wrapped. Let's see. I actually don't have this. This is so cool. Okay, so this is the Haunted Mansion key, and it's got Madame Leota on it. I actually don't own any of the keys, so this is really cool to add into my collection. I hope you guys can see that without the glare. But you could see it's got the wallpaper print, and then it also has Madame Leota on here. This is so cool. On the back it has Madame Leota on here as well, and if it would focus, there we go. And yeah, I wonder how people display these. If you guys have any keys, or if you collect these, let me know how you display them, because I want to make sure that I display it in a way that makes it look extra beautiful. So thank you, Christina, for this. This is awesome. Okay, on to this thing, which feels round. Okay, let's see. Oh, I actually don't have this as well, which is so cool. So I think this is one of those like blinky, it's got blink. Maybe it needs batteries. Oh, I have to pull the tab. Okay. Ooh, look at this. They're blinking. Oh, it's a flashlight. So this is actually really, really cool. So if you guys can't see, you can kind of see. There's a flashlight on there. Oh, and it says the Haunted Mansion on there. So I could keep these on my keys or with me in my purse, but it's got Phineas, Gus, and Ezra in here in the Doom buggy, and then it has a little lobster claw. I think the coolest thing about this is that it's a flashlight on a keychain, which is so cool. So thank you so much. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, there's so much other stuff in here. Well, this has got to be a pin. This is gonna be awesome. Let's see. Oh, this pin is so cool. I love a good pin, you guys know. This is awesome. I love adding pins to my Haunted Mansion collection. And we've got the maid and the butler here. And let me show you guys if it'll focus. There we go. So we've got the maid and the butler, and they look extra spooky, and I love this pin. So thank you so much, Christina. Okay, oh my gosh, what is this? It's very flat. So let's see. Oh my gosh, these are socks. Oh my gosh. So on here it's got the hitchhiking ghost, and I think this is Phineas on the back. I think Ezra, Gus. And then on the back of this one, it says a ghost will follow you home. If you guys live anywhere in the Northeast or anywhere where it gets cold, these socks are imperative to keep your ankles and your calves warm throughout the next several months. So thank you so much for these. They will definitely get used. Oh my gosh, there's more. This one's pretty flat too. Let's see. Oh, this is one of the postcards. Or is it a print? No, it's a postcard from the Wonderground Gallery. Wonderground Gallery, yeah, that's right. And it's the Hatbox Ghost, which is actually something that we don't have in Walt Disney World, which is so cool that you guys have it in Disneyland if you are someone that often goes to Disneyland. But this is so amazing. I like to keep these as little art prints, so I'm trying to do it without the glare. The Hatbox Ghost is one of the coolest characters, I feel like, and I love the attic scene as well. So this is so cool to have in my collection. So thank you. I'm actually probably gonna display it on my pin board with my new pin, so thank you. Oh my gosh, this box is like never ending. Let's see what this is. Ooh. Wait, oh, this is this is a luggage tag. I'm gonna use this in just a few days when I leave for Walt Disney World. This is so cool. It says a ghost will follow you home, and then it's got Foolish Mortal on the back, and then Haunted Mansion. And I definitely will use this because I actually ironically don't have a luggage tag on my new suitcase. So this is gonna go on it like right after this video. So thank you, Christina. Okay. Wow, I feel like this is so many things that are very functional. So this is awesome. Let's see what this one is. Oh, I actually don't have, is this Gus? Gus, it is Gus. I actually don't have Gus. So this is really cool. He's so stinking cute. I have to find a way to display the wishables because I don't have too many. I have Ezra as one, but I just don't know how to display them. Like, so if you display or collect wishables, let me know how you display them as well, because I need to get on better displaying things. So let me know in the comments. Okay, it looks like we have one larger package, or no, we have two things left. So this is something, it feels very soft, potentially fabric-y. Let's see. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a shirt. It glows in the dark. Wait, oh my gosh. It says going our way. Hitch a ride to the afterlife. There's no turning back now. I've never seen this before. Wait, this is so cool, and it glows in the dark. I'm gonna wear this later. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Christina. I've like literally never seen this shirt before. This is so cool. Okay, and then it looks like we have one more item left. It feels kind of heavy too, so let's see what it is. Oh, this feels like it could be like a ceramic-y. Oh my goodness, this is a 50th anniversary for the Haunted Mansion ornament. This is, I've never seen this either. I actually have a 50th anniversary for the Haunted Mansion in Disneyland mug, but I've never seen this ornament, which is so beautiful. Look at this ornament. it's like not even picking up because it's so shiny. But it's got the Haunted Mansion, Disneyland, and 50th, and it just looks so beautiful. And on the back, you've got Madame Leota here, which is so cool too, to have her as an icon for the ride. But thank you, Christina, for this beautiful ornament. I'm definitely going to display it come this holiday season, and inevitably when I have a Halloween Christmas tree. So thank you. Oh wait, just kidding, I found one more thing. So this feels like another pin. I might have to do like one more sweep of the box just to make sure, because I feel like in one of the last unboxings that I did, I forgot something in the box. I felt so bad. Oh, I don't have this pin either. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So it says, "Welcome, foolish mortals," right here with the hitchhiking ghosts. And it's so awesome. Look at this. This feels like one of the, oh, it's a lounge light pin. I was gonna say maybe one of the ones from Hot Topic or Box Lunch. So I don't have too many pins from Hot Topic or Box Lunch. So this is really cool to add to the collection as well. So thank you, Christina, for all these amazing goodies. I just want to say a huge thank you to Christina for putting this box together. You really made this Halloween very special, so thank you. And thank you, Melodie, for putting this together. I know organizing swaps is ambitious and tough, and it's hard to manage so many people, so I really appreciate you putting this together and letting us celebrate the Haunted Mansion and Halloween both on the same day. So I hope you guys have a wonderful and spooky and magical happy Halloween, and I will see you all real soon for November, and keep an eye out for some pop-up live streams at some point. So have those bell notifications on, and I will see you guys all real soon. Bye.